Internet Information Services IIS Manager from Run window. 1. Step 1. Launch Run window with Windows or key. And Windows or key. Both Windows key plus R key. Then type inet mgr and press enter. INET mgr. Press enter. It opened the Internet Information Services IIS launch. Once launched, you will be able to see sites, application pool, default website, all other changes. You will be able to see it. Thank you for watching. If you have any tech query, please send an email to onlinetechuniversity@gmail.com or add it in the comment. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.